can see that storm really flat out the beach. The longer subscribers have been with me for a while. Remember, this was sort of like a 2-foot drop. So that last hurricane really flattened this out. It was like somewhere here. So it really pushed everything right up. Now there's some vegetation is coming back, as you can see. Calmer waters now. I can remember when there were no houses here. It was just the resorts up there. They built the dock, but that's a public beach right there around there. That bend there. And then there was one house on that which is still there, but it's all being slated for development. And you can see that storm did quite a bit of damage, but that's part of nature, you know, refreshing things. Now, a lot of this you can't blame this on I think this is from the sea. The stuff you see here. Can't really say that's from people littering. That comes from overseas ships and all that. People do litter as well, but you can see most of that isn't from that. See that tree? Really, that's 10 foot during the storm. Look at that cloud. The cloud is very low. Notice it? It's a very low cloud. It almost looks like it's hitting that tree. And there's another one there too. It's a nice pattern. Nice cloud pattern there. That's beautiful. It's always here, another little cloud there as well. That's a beautiful cloud pattern there. And over there is just cloudless. Yeah, a lot of these trees, well, you know, these secret trees have been known to withstand storms. Yeah, this is the first time I've been back here in this little section since the storm, because I couldn't even get in here. See, that's why I drove in here quickly. See, people have been getting bogged there because the sand, so much sand there. And even here I spun around quickly, not even noticing. I just hit that rock. I heard this big bump, so I hope I didn't do it. It wasn't that much of a... Actually, I should move that, and I guess I might happen to someone else. It has to be else. Yeah. Oh, that's heavy too. Oh, I'm disturbing the natural. But they'll come back there anyway. I'll just move it. Oh, it's heavy. That must be a good 5 stone. No, not 5 stone. Jeez, this would be way too heavy. It's probably about... It's basically coral. You can see the coral formation. That's thousands, if not millions of years old. See the coral formation? That probably came out of the... Yeah, that probably washed up in that last storm. As you see a lot of these in the ocean. But yeah, see, the little fish and stuff will hide in these little things. Yeah, the ants have taken it over. They'll come back there after I put it there. But you'll see them in the ocean gray. But once they come up shore like that, now the weather will change them white, you know. There's another one there again. You can see that that's all from the storm. It wasn't like this before. There's the pond over there. And that side is supposed to be protected, but I keep seeing signs saying up for development. It's a bloody shame. Anyway. Yeah, this will probably be built on soon too. There's nice coconut trees and seagrape trees and other trees will just... See, that stood up in the storm belt too. Yeah. Hope I didn't damage that tire. There's already, yeah, I can see signs of it there. Anyway, Plaza's right up the road there, so I'm gonna go there now and check on the cats. Yeah, sometime last year there used to be a cat hanging around here. That's why sometimes I check and never been able to, because I couldn't get in here. Yeah, I didn't really want to leave or to go because chickens were coming. black and white one. Yeah, that's the pond beyond that there. That's the one that many have seen. Just to see me like that still anyways. That's the highway running through it. Oh, that's a good. I should take that, you know. That's a good piece of. It's a good palette. See, you can still see their lines down. Like, that's a rock lizard. Yeah. See how high the sand is? Still lines down. Actually, that's the company going right there. No, that's Flow. They don't seem to be too concerned about it. They just passed one of their vans. Yeah, that they probably replaced it. That's why. Yeah. That's why they don't. I didn't bother picking it back up. See, that's the spot I usually go to up there. Someone's already there, so it's a good tip. See how soft that sand is. So when I'm coming out now, I'm gonna have to drive quickly so I don't get bogged. All right.